In a fire system, the jockey pump is often overlooked. It's small, it's quiet, but without it, even the smallest pressure drop would trigger the entire fire system. Let's talk about what it really does, and why it matters. Fire systems are pressurized 24/7. But even small pressure drops, from valve leaks, air bubbles, or pipe expansion, can cause the system to think there's a fire. That's where the jockey pump comes in. It kicks in before the fire pump does, restoring pressure quietly. A jockey pump is a small capacity, high pressure pump. It's connected to the same system as the fire pump, but it runs automatically to maintain a preset pressure. If the drop is small, it handles it. If pressure drops drastically, that's when the main fire pump starts. It's smart, it's economical, and it prevents unnecessary wear on the big system. Without a jockey pump, fire pumps would start too often. Electrical wear would increase. Water hammer and noise would become common. The system's integrity would suffer over time. Jockey pumps ensure stability, and stability means readiness. Big systems rely on small players, and the jockey pump is one of the most important. We enhance reliability, starting with the smallest parts, at Fluidemy by Ebitt.